This is called a white shaker cabinet. Solid wood, self-opening and closing. This is a chocolate maple glaze. As you notice, everything is solid wood, but the feature of the close is very important. When you purchase a cabinet, you want to make sure that you're dealing with solid wood cabinets, self-closing hinges, and along with the cabinets, we also offer granite. Our granite is, I want to show you a difference between what Home Depot sells, the thickness, and what we offer for our thickness is 1.25 inches. And we also fabricate and install. Okay. We also offer wood floors for all types of flooring. It could be wood, it could be engineered, it could be laminate. But we offer those in store. We do all kinds of stone work. This is all natural stone that we offer for bathrooms, walls, and flooring. We're very competitive and very professional. So contact Gordon's Remodeling. You say yes, we'll do the rest.